Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Precious Kings. If this is your first time tuning into my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And to my old subscribers and my returning viewers, thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how I was able to generate this beautiful YouTube studio with just my smartphone. Okay, so trust me, you do not want to skip this video. So guys, for us to do this, we need to get basic things in place. First is your smartphone, which should be a very good smartphone with a very good camera quality. Second should be a lighting, a proper lighting. Third should be a tripod stand if you have one, but if you don't have one, you can just find a proper place for you to place your phone. Fourth, we need some apps. The first app we'll be needing is Canva, which is for edits, CapCut for edits, and now that beautiful tool I did not want to talk about in my first YouTube shorts. We're going to use it here, which is the AI tool, Bluewullio.ai. So guys, let's dive in. Yeah guys, so now the first thing we have to do is to generate our studio, and to do that we have to be making use of the AI app. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is to go over to my browser. I use Google Chrome, so I'm going to go over to my browser and I'm going to input a website. Now this website is https ://bluewullio.ai, but I'm going to be imputing this website in the description box below, so you'll be able to get a hold of it. Okay guys, so now I've imputed the website, as you can see showing on the screen. So I'm just going to search for it. Now so once I search for it, this is the interface I'm going to be having. Once you search for it, you're going to have this interface. Now you're going to tap on this generate artwork because you're going to be redirected to where you'd input your prompt. Do not skip this video guys, you do not want to do that. Okay, so now let's tap on the generate artwork. Now it says please wait while you're being redirected. Now it has brought us to this LimeWire interface. As you can see here, we have balance 7.03 credits. Okay, so now once you get over to this interface, you're going to have credits. Now what this credit does, you use this credit to generate images. Okay, now it's on a free page. We're using a free platform. Now we're using a free site. Now we've not updated the plan, so we just have few credits. So now I'm just going to impute my prompt. I'm going to be imputing a prompt that will generate me a very beautiful, luxurious and classy YouTube studio, and I'm going to also be imputing this prompt in the description box below. Okay guys, so let's impute our prompts. Now so guys, I've imputed the prompt I want. I said I want a beautifully well decorated YouTube studio with RGB lighting, shelves with books arranged on the side, beautiful flowers and beautiful flower pots. So now the next thing I'm gonna do is to scroll down and tap on generate image, which is down below here. So I'm gonna tap on generate image. And I'm gonna wait for that to load. Now this is it, it's loading, so I just have to wait for it to load. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I have 1 2 3 4 I have 4 beautifully generated YouTube studio. So I can just pick any one I want, or I can just download the 4 of them and have a preview to be able to know the one I would really want, that would really fit what I want. Okay guys, let me show you how to download this. Now to download this, let's tap on this. I'm going to tap on this and I'm going to tap on, I don't want to publish yet, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to tap on this 3 icon here, and I'm going to tap on download. I want to download again. I want to downloading file downloaded. Okay, so I want to download this as well. So I'm going to tap on this 3 icon and I'm going to tap on download. Just want to download again. It will show download for you guys. So this same thing. No, I don't want to share yet, so just repeat the same process. Now so guys, I finally downloaded. Now all I have to do is to go over to my gallery, so I'll be able to see the images. Now guys, these are the images I have downloaded. As you can see, they are all pretty. This is beautiful. They are all looking beautiful and pretty. So now once you've generated this your YouTube studio, all you have to do is to just pick whichever one you want. Okay, so now this is the process of generating your YouTube studio. Now the next thing we have to do is to head over to Canva to make 1 or 2 edits if need be. Okay, so guys, do not skip this video. Okay, yeah, so now guys, the next thing to do is to head over to Canva to make 1 or 2 edits. Okay, so now I'm going to open my Canva app. Yeah, now so my Canva app has loaded, so I'm just going to tap on this search bar and I'm going to input YouTube banner. Yeah, YouTube banner. Yes, and I'm going to search for it. Yeah, now so YouTube banner has come out. As we all know, Canva just gives us templates, so let's pick this very first one. So I'm going to tap on it and I'm just going to wait for it to load. So now it has finally loaded and I'm going to tap on this image and I'm going to tap on replace. Yes, watch closely, do not skip this video guys, trust me, you do not want to do that. Yeah, so as I tapped on replace, it was already on my gallery section down below. So I'm gonna pick from these YouTube studios I downloaded from my AI. So I'm gonna be using this first one because it has this YouTube studio icon. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna be using this and I'm going to just delete things I do not want. I'm going to delete every single thing I do not want. Okay guys, yeah, so guys, now I've deleted every single thing I do not want that was attached to that template I used. So I've deleted everything and now this is how my YouTube studio looks. It's so pretty guys, this is beautiful. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is to download. Okay, now to download, I'm just going to tap on this arrow down icon above. So once I tap on it, it's being downloaded as image. Okay guys, do not skip this video, do not skip it, please, trust me. Okay guys, yeah, so guys, now after generating our YouTube studio and editing with Canva, the next thing we have to do is to go over to CapCut. Yeah, open your CapCut app. Now you're going to tap on the new project icon here. So once you tap on it, the next thing you're going to do is to switch over from videos to photos and tap on your YouTube studio. Yeah, the YouTube studio you generated. Remember, I generated 2 YouTube studios, this and this second one, but I'm going to use the second one, this one, because I like the YouTube icon at the background. So I'm just going to add it and now this is it here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to tap on the YouTube studio down below and elongate it to the length I want my video to be. So I'm just going to drag it. So you just have to keep dragging it to the length you want it to be, to the length you want your video to be. Yeah, so once that is done, I'm going to go back by tapping on this back arrow down below. I'm going to tap on effects here from these options down below. Now once I tap on effects, I'm going to tap on video effects. Now once I tap on video effects, I'm going to have to tap on blur, or you can search for it if you don't find it underneath trending. So I'm just going to tap on this blurry effect here, and once I tap on the blurry effect, it applies to my YouTube studio background, as you can see showing on your screen right now. So I'm gonna drag it to the length of my video. Now the next thing is to adjust the blurry effect. So I'm gonna tap on the blurry effect and I'm going to adjust. Now the more you drag it, the blurrier it becomes, if there's anything like that. So just play around with it. I prefer using 27. So now this is the percentage of the blurry effect I want. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to tap on the back arrow down below, tap on it again, and then from these options I have down below, I'm going to tap on overlay. Yeah, now once I tap on overlay, I'm going to have add overlay. Now once I tap on add overlay, I'm going to bring in my pre-recorded video, which I want to change its background. I'm going to import it.
Hello guys,
now this is it. So I'm going to tap on add. Now the next thing to do, as you can see, because I recorded this video in a landscape mode, I'm going to readjust it for it to fit in my YouTube studio. background, my YouTube studio background. Now I'm gonna swipe to see the length. Now this my pre-recorded video is longer than this, so I'm gonna cut it. I splitted and then I cut. Now this is what I have. Now I'm gonna tap on this overlay icon above here, and this is what I'm gonna be having. Now I'm gonna have these options down below for this overlay. Now I'm going to swipe down, swipe left to where I'm gonna have remove BG, which is remove background. So I'm going to tap on it, and I'm going to tap on auto removal for it to remove all my background, and I'm going to tick it. Now it says applying auto removal, applying one feature. Okay, yeah, so guys, for you to have a smooth auto removal, I would advise you to make your pre-recorded video on a plain background, a plain wall background, preferably white or probably cream. Yes, so that you don't have an effect, an auto removal whereby your clothes is removing. Okay, so once I tap on this number 1 icon here rotating, I'm gonna be seeing the percentage my background is, my auto removal background is on. So now it's increasing and it's going to be totally removed once it gets to 100%. So we just have to wait for it. Don't forget, for you to have a very smooth auto removal, make your pre-recorded video on a plain background, a plain wall background. It would help you a whole lot. So guys, just have to wait for our background to be removed. Just have to have a bit of patience for it. Yay, our background has finally been removed. So now this is what it looks like. This is pretty. Yeah, now you can see I don't have flashes of my clothes removing. It looks so real. Why? Because I made my pre-recorded video on a plain background. Now the next thing to do is to still tap on the overlay icon and make some edits by readjusting the video to fit in my YouTube background. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go back. Now the next thing is to tap on the overlay icon again, and I'm going to swipe down from the options I have down below again, and I'm going to play it. Now listen to this. I want to do something. Listen to this background voice of my pre-recorded video. Now I have options. Now I'm going to tap on my options, and I'm going to tap on enhance voice. Yeah, now so what this enhanced voice does is that it's going to change the voicing, the voice outputs of my video, because if you can remember, the pre-recorded video had noisy background. So now this enhanced voice is going to change it. So let's see. Now once I tap on enhanced voice, I'm going to tick it on, as you can see, and I'm going to wait for it to enhance till 100%. So just give it a bit of time. Now this enhanced voice reduces noise, and it would make your voice output very sound and sharp. Like it would be as if your pre-recorded video was in a studio, whereas you didn't make it with a microphone or anything. So that's the advantage of this enhanced voice effect. So now it's finally close to 100%. Yes, finally done. Yeah, so now let's listen to it. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your Precious Kings. If this is your first time, now so this is what it sounds like. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So now you can note the difference. The first one had a noisy background, but now after enhancing the voice, it's now smoother, okay? And it has been applied to all parts of the video. So now the next thing to do is to come down again to where I have my options and tap on retouch. Now because it's the face showing here, I'm just going to tap on face. Yeah, it's just my face I'm using here, so I'm going to tap on face. Okay, now once I tap on face, it gets zoomed into my face. Now I'm just going to tap on effects. Even here is a pro version, and I'm using a free version of Canva, so I'm going to come over to smooth and increase it to my taste, but you can increase it to whatever taste you want. Just play around with it. We have smooth. I'm going to use a percentage, and I'm going to apply to all clips. Now I'm going to come over to smile lines. I don't know what that is, but I just applied a bit of it. Yeah, just play around with it. You just have to just play around and use it to the taste you want, to your taste. Yeah, sorry, go back. So now I'm going to tap on dark circles. Yeah, to reduce the dark circles around the eye. So I'm gonna use a percentage I feel is okay for me. Apply to all clips as well. Then I'm going to tap on brighten, and I'm going to increase the brightness because I feel here is very dark. It's a bit dark. So I'm just going to increase the brightness a bit. I think 35 is okay. So just to your taste, play around with it to your taste, but don't make it too much. Then white teeth, we're going to increase the brightness of our teeth to 66. Yeah. And then we're going to tap on apply to all, and it's applied. Confirm, apply to all clips. Now we're going to tap on the tick icon. We're going to tick it good, and now this is what we have. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Precious Kings. If this is your first time tuning into my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my old subscriber. Yeah guys, so that's basically it. That's how I was able to switch backgrounds. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. I hope you learned a lot from this video. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I love you so much, guys. Don't forget to share this video. And if you're looking to starting a YouTube channel and you do not have a background, you could start off with this. Okay guys, nobody's gonna know you do not have a background. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, bye. Drop in the comment section what you learned, and drop in the comment section what you do not understand. Okay guys, I love you. Bye.